Guys, welcome back to part 3 of our Mini Barbie Land. Today is the day we are going to open and review Barbie's Dream House. Now, there are multiple houses. This is the one that I chose because it has the pool off to the side there and the elevator. In part 1, we did these 3, and in part 2, we did the car. And I didn't realize that the car, I'm going to move this, was color changing. So this time, I brought the bowl of cold water, and we are going to test how much this car color changes. So here is our car. It is pink. It is purple on the bottom. And it's kind of, I guess, a blue, transparent, opaque maybe, I don't know, windshield and mirrors. So let's go ahead and it floats. Let's see what color this changes. I don't see anything happening. That water is cold. We tip it upside down. Color changes generally really quick though, so I don't know. The water is cold. The water is cold. Okay, do we see anything different? I mean, it is cold. This looks to be a bit, I don't know, of a darker purple. Not darker purple, darker pink. If I warm it up, does it change back? Honestly, I don't see much of a difference. Dip it in again. Do you guys see much of a difference? I am not seeing much of a difference. Maybe it needs warm water, but isn't it generally cold that you color change in? I took the ice out, so it is cold. I mean, okay. I don't know. I guess it's a slightly different color pink. I don't know. Kind of a bust, I'd say. I don't know. In the comments, did it change color? I don't think it did. I am going to be so honest. I don't know. If it did, it's a really subtle change on the paint. I don't think it changed all that much in color. I don't know. But I'm putting them on display. So to me, I don't care what color the car is. I mean, if you wanted to play with it, I suppose it would make a difference. But so far, everything in our Mini Barbie Land has been exquisite. Okay, now that we've done all that, let's go on. I'm just going to move the water. Hold on one. There we go. Okay, we're going to go for the house. I kind of wish I had the plane, but do you know what else would be nice if they actually had like all the different Barbies you can get, because there are so many Barbies. I think they've been making Barbies since 1959. There are so many different Barbies. I would love a collector's guide of all the Barbies that you can get. Ooh, this one opens nice. Maybe we can save the background for this. Look at that. It opens up to some nice grass. But it's going to be, yeah. There's no way to save it. What if I just, then I'm going to have shiny plastic, right? If I try to cut it this way to save it. Is it worth it? Honestly, probably not. You know what? Oh, the road cuts off. Look, okay, it is not worth saving. There's our mystery Barbie. There is the pet. Oh my gosh. Okay. Why have I just hit the camera, struggled with getting stuff out of packaging. Let's go. Let's get the house. Come on, house. There's the house. Okay. Let's put that to the side. Here is the house. Oh my gosh. Okay. There is the slide. Look at the fireplace and the TV. I kind of wish we had little stickers that you could highlight, because like there's a plant. It's really hard to see. Did the doors open? Oh my God, the door's open. Okay. And there's a paw print for the dog. Oh, and here's the kitchen, the oven, and the cupboards. This kitchen reminds me of the 90s Barbie townhouse kitchen. Just the way it's all laid out. The elevator goes up and down. The elevator goes up and down. And then here is, I guess, the bedroom. Okay. And look at the top for the pool. Okay. So the pool, I guess, just sits at the bottom like that. Okay. The bed, look at the detail on the bed. It's got the blanket and the pillow. So which way would Barbie sit in here? She'd go this way. Oh my gosh, it just like Big Barbie stuff, it clips down. Okay. And then we have the chair swing. Okay, that cannot be right. Where did I put the packaging? That cannot be right. How does the chair swing? Why does it show it sitting? It shows it on the side of the pool. Where in the world would you hook it on the side of the pool? Where do you hook this on the side of the pool? There's nowhere to hook this. Oh, here. It goes here on the side. It goes right there on the hook on the side of the pool. Okay. So there is the house. Let me tip it so you can see it. There is the house and there is the pool. Okay. I just crushed these Barbies. Let's take this Barbie and she will, climb up the ladder and go down. She goes down into the pool. Okay, one more time. Ready? Barbie can climb up the ladder and then she can sit. And that one didn't go into the pool. Okay. So maybe there's only space for one Barbie in the pool. Okay. Let's try her laying in the bed. Are they the right size? Oh my gosh, they are the perfect size. And if you notice, see these little hearts? The little hearts here? Is there one? And there is one in the elevator. The hearts line up to Barbie's feet so that she doesn't fall down. Unless you're me and you throw her down the slide. So here she comes up the elevator. And then she can get off and walk through the bedroom. Up the elevator. Up. Oh, okay. Down the slide. This slide is dangerous. This one got stuck. Oh, how come it only worked the first time? Let's try this again. Okay, I don't have the pool in the right spot. Let's see if Barbie can fit in the swing. Maybe that's why her hands are so weirdly shaped. No, there is no way to hold her in that swing. See that? If we try to put her in the swing, Okay, so the swing doesn't work. If you try to put Barbie in the swing, Barbie slides out of the swing. I don't like that. Okay, cool. Whatever. She doesn't fit there. This is so cute, but you can have them standing. So I have three more spots. And how many Barbies do I have? 2 more. 3 more. I'm going to have 1 extra spot. This Barbie can stand right. I'm sorry for my hands. There. Oh my gosh. And then let's put Cutie Reveal. Oh, she'd be facing the kitchen. She's facing the sink. And this one's facing this way. Okay. Look at that. So now, oh, shoot. Now I have a Barbie in every room or every flat spot that holds her. And the elevator. Let's look at it from this side. Woo! This side is kind of boring. Like they didn't. That's cute. I like the fact that the door opens both ways. Oh, is that a flaw or is that supposed to be like that? I don't know. Oh no, there's one more spot there. Okay, this is perfect. So this means that I actually have enough Barbies to fill the dream house because we have, this sounds like more than one Barbie. What is this? Does this not say one Barbie? Oh, there's accessories, guys. There's accessories. Oh my gosh, it's not just one Barbie. Do you see that? A house, a dog. Oh, this is not just one Barbie. Okay. Oh, look. It is totally hair. Oh, I just knocked over the house. It's totally hair Barbie. Look at her earrings and her dress. Her hair is super short though. The 80s totally hair Barbie went all the way down. Her hair was all the way down. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I love her. I love her. Let's put her right there. Oh my goodness. Ah, my Barbie land is complete. What else is there? Like this is kind of cool. And it's cardboard. Oh no. It's Taffy's doghouse. Is there a spot to sit it? No, it doesn't clip. Does it clip to anything? No, it doesn't clip. Okay. Okay, so we could put the dollhouse there and we could put, like, there's the pool. Sure. And then maybe we can put the doghouse, like, I don't know, off to the side. So if you're looking at it, it would be like that, off to the side, and then there would be the pool. This is so cool. This is so much like the movie. I'm loving it. Okay, and what else? There's one more thing. Do you see it? Oh, it is Taffy, or whatever you want to name your Barbie dog. Little golden retriever with the house, with the car, with Barbie Way. Okay, I cannot wait to go and put all of this in the designated Barbie Land shelf that I have in my home. I will post pictures. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for pictures of my mini Barbie Land, and I will post some at the end of this video. Just at the end, like we've done in the past. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite part of mini Barbie Land? I love the house. I love the pool. I love the fact that I have enough Barbies. I just threw the lipstick. I have enough Barbies to fill all of the spots. I love that you get a house and a dog. The car, I mean, it has dried and warmed up. Honestly, I'm not seeing any color change. I don't even think that the mirrors change color. So I just threw the car. I love it. There's even a little patch of grass that we could have the dog standing on. All right, I'm going to go and set it all up. I will post pictures. Thank you so much for all of the support. This has been such a fun series. I don't have any more space to store any more of it, or I would do more. But let me know if you have any of these houses or the plane or the camper van. Like, I saw so much of it, but I only have limited space. But let me know in the comments anything about Mini Barbie Land. And once I post the pictures of the setup, again, follow me on Instagram. And I don't know, maybe share your ideas for how you would set it up. I don't know. That's it for today, though. Thank you so much for all of your support. It means so much to me.